Hi, I'm Kylie.
Hi, I'm Casper. Welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur.
Let's put our hands and welcome the one and only
Cat A 7-seater 2023 new facelift Toyota Sienta 1.5G Hybrid. It combines the convenience of a minivan with a spacious cabin and seating for up to 7 passengers. Let's take a look at the new facelift Toyota Sienta passenger seat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
More fuel efficiencies with its self-charging hybrid engine. More safety with the protection of Toyota Safety Sense. More comfort in 7 configurable seats.
From power sliding doors to a great entertainment system. With the Sienta Hybrid, there is simply more to love.
Inside, the Toyota Sienta benefits from a higher cabin height by 20mm, which results in more headroom and knee rooms for all passengers.
Driver now has access to both a 7-inch digital speedometer and a 9-inch touchscreen display audio. There is wireless Apple CarPlay compatibility as well for even greater convenience. Speaking of practicality, the Sienta Hybrid will come with 4 USB and Type-C ports, 2 in front and 2 for second-row occupants.
Last but not least, currently we are running great promo as monthly from 1069. Comes with 10 years loan and 100% loan available. Lowest interest rate at 1.98%, 10 years warranty and servicing, free full car accessories.
We are offering free road tax, 1-bit guarantee COE with no top-up, loan packages from 0 down payment, and lastly, sure win lucky draw. Any further enquiries, welcome to Royal Motor Grandeur. We are always here for you. See you on the next video. Bye!